Welcome to the CSIT Experts online forum. In this short video, I will talk about how to install Git and how to create a new GitHub account. So there is no prerequisite for doing this. But before I go to this, I like to discuss about Git and GitHub. And then I will show you how to install Git on your Windows computer and how to create a GitHub account. Simply, if you do a Google search about Git or like Git wiki, so then you will see Git is a version control system for tracking changes in computer files and coordinating work on those files among multiple people. So it's a very simple definition of Git. So if we go through more, so then you will see the other information in detail. So Git is a version control system actually. So as a distributed version control system, it's aimed to speed data integrity and support for distributed non-linear workflows. So if you go through this Git wiki page, then you will see a lot of information. There is historical development information and naming convention, and then different improvement in different versions, as well as a lot of information. Actually, Git is an open source. It is an open source tool, and then so what we got from here, Git is a version control system. So why do we need to keep version? Actually, when we change our file, so even when we change or a very simple file, a simple program, if we want to go back to a previous stage or previous dates version, then it will be easy for us to use Git. Without using Git, it is really difficult to work in industries and in more in a large team. So then what is GitHub? So if we do a Google search about GitHub, especially I like GitHub wiki, or I can type in here in Google over here, or I can type in here just GitHub wiki. So GitHub Wikipedia, you will see the GitHub Wikipedia page and it will say GitHub Inc., or in short, GitHub is a web-based hosting service of version control using Git. Actually, GitHub is a web-based version control system that is based on Git. Actually, almost all Git operation can be executed on GitHub. GitHub actually is a web-based repository. It is mostly used for computer code. It offers all of the distributed version control and source code management functionality of Git, as well as adding its own features. That means GitHub has all of Git commands and as well as some additional features. So if you go through these, then you will get more information about GitHub and then related things. Actually, GitHub offers plan for both private repositories and free accounts. That means creating an account on GitHub is completely free. You can host your repository as a private, then if you host as a private, then you have to pay. But if you host as a public project, on GitHub, then it is completely free. So you see as of June 2018, GitHub reports having over 28 million users and 57 million repositories. Huge, right? So including 28 million public repositories, making it the largest host of source code in the world. Actually, there are other version control systems like Microsoft SourceSafe and others, but GitHub is the largest and mostly used and most popular version control system. So now let's go back. So now so we have understood something about Git and GitHub. Now installation of GitHub in computer is very simple. So if you do a Google search about download Git, something like this, so then you will see this site is very the top one is the https://git.scm.com, just download. So if you go to this page, if you click on this page, so actually the address is https://git-scm.com -download. So you will see that Git has Mac OS version, Windows and Linux or Unix version. So based on your computer's operating system, you will download an appropriate version of Git. And then for instance, this is a Windows computer, so for my Windows computer I would click on this Windows, this icon. Then once I click on this Windows icon, so within a few seconds, so then it will come automatically, it will the installation will start automatically. So I have 64-bit Windows running on this computer, so it will come up. So initially it may show you this this warning, but don't be worried, just click on the keep. And if you want to download, if you have a 32-bit operating system on your computer, then you can select this 32-bit Git, or if you have 64-bit, then you can manually select this 64-bit downloader. So once you download start, it's very simple and short file, so within a few seconds it will be downloaded. Then click on this icon. So if you have a Google Chrome, and then you will see it here. But if you don't have Google Chrome, if you use Firefox or other browser, maybe you will get it over here, and you will see download icon. No matter whether you have Google Chrome or Firefox browser, if you go to your download folders, then you will see inside your downloads folder your Git will be downloaded. So once you have this Git downloader, then just double click on it, and within a few seconds installation will start. Then you will see a user account control. This window will come up. Installation initial window will come up. Maybe you are not seeing this one. Just click on yes. Okay, once you click on yes, then it will come Git setup wizard. Then it's very straightforward. Click on next, click on next, click on next, then again click on next, then again click on next. You don't need to make any change, just you can go to click on next, then click on next, and then click on install, and then within a few seconds the the installation will start and then it will be finished automatically. Okay, so while installation is going on, let us talk about something. So if you do a Google search about Git cheat sheet, then you will see this first thing. In here you see Git cheat sheet. This is a very nice just a 2-page cheat sheet. It has almost most of the common and most usually Git commands. So I like you to download this PDF Git cheat sheet. So you can do right click and then save as, and you can save it at your any location, and then as a Git and GitHub cheat sheet. Then please download it and print it and keep it with you for a while in order to see the most Git operation and Git command. Maybe the installation is almost done. So then when installation is done, you will see completing a Git, completing the Git setup wizard. Then you will say launch Git bash. So I will talk about Git bash, and then then view release note. If you want to see, then click on. If you don't click over here, then it's okay, no problem. Okay, so but I like to click here to see the Git bash. Okay, so this is the release note. You can save this release note, or actually this is the Git bash. This is the Git bash window. Is more likely a command window. Command line. So more you can, or it is more likely what is called a Mac terminal window. If you use MacBook, then you will see the terminal window is more likely this. Once you get this, so now you can check whether Git is installed properly or not by giving a version check command. So if you type in Git, then give space, then dash version. Then if it shows you Git version, and even no matter which version, because which version you install, it will show that version. Okay, so if you see this this version command by giving Git dash version, remember that you have to give type in Git git, then give a space, then 2 dash Git dash version, and then you will see version command. So this is actually Git. You can check over here, but if you like, then you can use command window, cmd, Windows command window, sorry, cmd, then command prompt window, and then when your command prompt window comes up, then you can type in same command, Git space dash version. Then once you press enter, just type in Git, then space, then dash version, and then press enter key. Then it will show Git version command. Once it shows Git version command, then you will understand that, you will know that your Git is installed properly. Git is installed on your computer properly. Okay, now next. Okay, so now create a GitHub account. So creating a GitHub account is very simple. So if you go to Google search and click on github.com, then if you will see GitHub front page. Okay, so then if you don't have any existing GitHub account, so then first time you will see this window, or you have to click on sign up. So you need to do sign up for only one time. So then once you sign up, then you will okay, you next time you don't need to sign up, you will sign in. But sign up on GitHub is very simple. You have to pick a username. For instance, for me, if I use CSIT8experts, okay, my username, if I use this one, and then I need to use my email address. So I need to provide my email address in order to retrieve my password, or okay, in order to retrieve my password, and then I need to choose a password. Okay, so this is my password. So just the 3 steps. It's very simple. I have not seen any other simpler way to create an account. So it says I used CSIT8experts as my username. I choose this one, and I give my email address, and I give password. Then I will click on sign up for GitHub. So once I click on sign up for GitHub, actually I already have an account with this email address. So this is why it is showing me this this error actually. So I already have an account. So if I did not have an account with this username or this email, so what it would do, it would send me an email to my this email address. Okay, this is an initial verification address. So then I have to open my email and then click on a link in order to verify, or in order to activate my account. So then once I have this account, then the second time I need to sign in. And then second time sign in is very easy. So I will put my username over here, and then I will give my password. So then I can sign in. You see, while I'm going to sign in, I'm going to putting my username, it is showing me my other GitHub account. So I have another GitHub account, ICTR Guru, and then let me give its password. Once I click give the password, and I don't know, it is showing me some. Okay, once I correctly give my username and password, then it will show me my account. So this is my another GitHub account, ICTR Guru. So then you see that I have repositories, 64 repositories. Actually I have more repositories. Those are private, so you will not be able to see this. But as I have seen on this video, that creating a GitHub account is very simple. So if you follow this video and if you try yourself, I think you can do it by yourself. But if you need any help and you get stuck, so please feel free to write your comment on at the end of this video, then I will help you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe it or comment it, and please join into the CSIT8experts online forum if you want to contribute. Thank you so much.